Spotted.
Hey, yo!
In Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Portage County in northeastern Ohio, Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, eastern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, Lake County in northeastern Ohio, Summit County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Cleveland to Parma to 6 miles southeast of Brunswick, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Akron, Painesville, Willowick, Ravenna, Churton, Fairport Harbor, Parma, Cuyahoga Falls, Euclid, Mentor, Cleveland Heights, North Royalton, Kent, Barberton, Greene, Solon, Willoughby, Hudson, and Wadsworth. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga, Lake, Medina, Portage, Summit, and Wayne. A urgent weather message.